Yo boys, welcome back to another video attempting max allocation on Top Step. Last week on Wednesday, I blew all my combines. So this week is a reset. We go again, fresh mindset, lock the fuck in, and just put that shit behind us. This week going forward, there's a shit ton of news which is a starter. So to just calm myself, bring myself back down to fucking planet Earth, I'm just halving my risk, chilling out, trading how I would if I was actually passed and already was trading on my live accounts. I've already passed 2 of them bitches, but trading how I would trade if I was trading on live. Right, so market open, it's rejected this level here, which is obviously what I marked out here. All right, Bosch, as you can see here, price rejected off of here. So that was our resistance. Market opened, resisted it. Now, in my opinion, if this comes back up now, I'll be in that bitch. 25. We may have to go 250 risk because I'm like, I lost $1,000 on Friday. To be honest with you, as well, boys, when I actually pass these accounts, understand that I'll be risking 250 a trade when I actually pass these accounts. So I may just start trading how I would trade and just see how the shit plays out, because shit's been a bit mad, ain't it? As of recent. Oh, my phone's just died. My fucking tunes have just stopped. You ever seen anyone? Yo.
Order filled.
Alright, Bosch. Right, look, yo, immediately, a lot of you are going to be like, yo, why did he get in then so quick? Aggressive entry, right? So market open, right? It came up, it rejected the rejection line that I showed you previously, right? It then went back up, rejected it again. Came back down. As well, if we were super aggressive, you could have gone on break of these wicks. Now, I wasn't trying to be that aggressive, but when you see price come up, then come up again, and then reject twice in a row, this shit was coming down. So as soon as I saw it come down here and break past this candle here, boom, I'm in. And that's why. Right, yo, we up 101. Let's break this level as well now. I don't want it to fuck around here. I want it to break through here. I don't want no rejection bullshit. You get me? See, this is what happened the other week, right? On my last video. Oh, my phone's dead. This shit came down, right? And then I put my stops to break even. And I got stopped the fuck out. It is rejecting. It is rejecting. Come on. So hopefully just make sure it still rejects though, you get me? Ah, shit. Well, it is another day in the charts. Yo, boys, if you don't already, go follow me on fucking Insta, man. Brandon.mp3. DM me some shit, let's talk. I reply to everything, but yo, keep going. See, I'm holding it out this time because last week I got boned. This shit could also like come all the way down here for sure. So, right, come on. Right, is this gonna push? Let's see what we grab here. See, look, boys, at this point, I'm potentially just willing and looking to see if I can trail my stop because we are still pushing with volume. And also, there's obviously lower liquidity that it still needs to grab and is aiming that way anyway. So even though usually I just go for the 1 or 2, today I was trying to trail it a little bit. Now, this could be a little spanner in the works with my system, with my strategy, because some days it can get to that 1 to 2 and it can push through and it can go 1 3, 1 4, 1 5. But some days it can just reverse. So it's knowing when and not to do this. This is still something I'm personally learning. I guess you can, it's more of a probability thing. If I can see there's a lot of liquidity that price still needs to grab like it does in this instance on this day today, then I'm going to probably try and hold it a little bit longer than usual. But again, I'm still working on all this shit. I'm still learning just like you. I may learn something, or there's a lesson I still need to learn yet. I don't know, but this is something I am trying to tweak and understand a little bit more. Trailing stop losses, you get me? But yeah. Keep it moving. Yeah. Alright, where the fuck's... Right.
Order filled.
There, boom. Got out of 1 or 2. Keep it moving, eh? You can see there, I tried to trail it. Now, in instances, if you go on previous videos, there has been times where when it hits that 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5, right, and it's pushed through and I put it down to a 1 to 2, sometimes price just dumps, and I've hit 1 to 3s, right, and I've trailed it to a 1 to 3, and because of consistency rule, I've only been able to hit $1,500, right, but that's only because of consistency rule. When actually passing an account, you can make way above $1,500. But there's times when I've watched it, I've trailed it to the 1 to 3, exited because of consistency rules, and then it's continued to a 1 to 4, 1 to 5. But it's just like, it can just double, no, triple the trade sometimes, I've seen. So it is something I'm going to keep looking at. There it is, boys. There's your winning day on the clock. Another winning day. Keep it moving. Yo, boys, see you. Look, if you man ain't got a fucking whiteboard, I swear down, this has been a game changer. Rather than putting down dollar amount, you can look at this shit and look at it by points. And for me, this just works so much easier, yo. Monday, W plus 2R, right? So we could go 2, 4, 6, -1. You get me? It's like -1. Like, you can just do the numbers so much easier rather than looking at dollar amount. So rather than me putting fucking 497, right? Okay, cool. But like, this is so much more simpler. And it's funny, right? Because I know a lot of you man that follow me on Gram been sending me photographs of whiteboards, just like this, same setup. So I think we're starting something here, which is kind of funny. But yo, it helps so much, the psychology-wise. Because look, check you, right? Monday, W plus 2R, right? We understand that we have a fixed risk of $250 at the beginning of the week, okay? But rather than me putting, you know, fucking $497, like, it's cool, but we're focusing more on money rather than our. And I believe if you just put the points, it simplifies it, right? Because you can understand that if you make $500, was you risking $500 or was you risking $1,000? You know what I'm saying? So it's like, when you put it to the RR, it simplifies everything. And it's just whatever money you use then, $10 into $20 is 2R. It all becomes relative, and and gives you an understanding of the data on your system, on your trades, a lot more clear, I think, rather than money. Now, of course, if I use my previous risk management, $500, I would have made back Friday's loss, but that's not the point here, right? I want to start just doing this shit like how I would actually trade, because the way I would actually trade is going to be risking $250 a trade, right? So we keep it moving. But yeah, boys, that was all across the combines. So I'm currently down 500 across these combines, but I believe, yo, let's be honest, right? If I put my risk to $250 a trade, that gives me 250, 500, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 trades in a row that I would have to lose, or a day of me going on tilt. But the reason that won't happen is because on my leader account, on the account that I'm trading with, I've got all my lockout rules on. Because, yo, boys, you saw me fuck up bad on Wednesday last week. I went on tilt and I posted the full video. If you haven't already seen that, go check that, because this shit's as real as it comes, right? I literally posted a 12-minute video of me just going on tilt, blowing me accounts, boom, 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 after having, do you know how many views this series has got, boys? Like, over 250,000, right? So, you motherfuckers been following me, and I just blew it in front of all of you. I didn't want to post the video. Did I post it? Of course I did, because I post everything. But yeah, it's still going. But yeah, I wanted to, happy days. And I'm just, yeah, chill. I'm just going to chill, do the same shit. Because like today now, going forward, that one win now allows me 2 days of losses, right? Because I think I'm just going to try and stick. I will stick to one trade a day as much as I can, right? If a second trade comes up, I do have that in my settings and I do allow it. But nevertheless, we're going to try and get what we fucking want, pass these accounts by the end of the year, and keep it moving. So, yeah, boys, come on.